Okay, this is Dr. Blumenthal again at Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and we are back with Edwin. He had his procedure, I guess it was about 11 days ago, something like that. He's back here today for his suture removal. And Edwin, tell us how it's been since you last saw us.
Been great.
Been okay?
Yeah.
We had some pain the first night.
Yeah,
right?
It's normal. I just didn't follow the right instructions. That's why.
That's all right.
Yeah.
It can happen. And you took a couple of Percocets the first day, and that was about it, right?
Yeah. Oh, I recommend taking the first night.
Okay.
A couple of Percocets. After that,
It's needed for that. Okay.
Just rest. The body just needs rest.
Okay. And then you talked about there was some swelling. Yours peaked on day 4, which is not unusual. Sometimes the first day or two you may be okay, and then day 3 and 4 you may actually have worse swelling before it starts getting better.
Just don't force your body.
Yeah.
That's when you get the most swelling, when you force it.
Awesome.
But after that, I learned how to deal with it, and it's great. It's just like
and for some people, you can get a lot of itching in the back. For you, that didn't happen for the stitches. Okay, good.
The stitches didn't bother me.
Good. Okay.
They're very
Excellent.
easy to clean, and
Okay, perfect. We're just going to zoom in here and take a look. So the scabs are just starting to kind of come off now. Hopefully by this weekend, they will all be gone. But you can see all the way around there. We also built out the temples just a touch, right around there on each side. And then we'll zoom back around here for the incision. We just took the stitches out, but you can see it'll just be a tiny little sliver of a line. Obviously, a lot of guys are concerned about this part, whether what the incisions look like, and some of that bumpiness will go away now that the sutures are gone. That'll flatten out a little bit more, but you'll just have that tiny little sliver all the way around. Looks good, man. All right, I think you're gonna love it. Now the hard part, just the waiting. All right, cool, man. Well, I appreciate you doing this. Any words of advice, words of warning, anything that you'd tell your friends that have been asking you?
Yeah, I think this is one of the best decisions I made in my life. You change your life, and I think everybody who wants to do it should do it.
Cool. All right. I didn't even pay you to say that. Nothing, right?
No.
Okay. All right, man. Appreciate it, Edwin. Thank you very much, man. We'll see you in like 6 months. Okay? All right.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.